Hi! In front of me is ZTE Axon 20, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message on this device. First of all, you need to open Messages app and select one of your contacts or one of your chats. When you're ready, click on this icon with a camera and the photo located at the bottom left corner. Now you can select your photos from here or click on Gallery instead and pick one of those or multiple of them. I will go with those three. When you're ready, click on the back button, and as you can see after that, my pictures were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!